Traditional therapy often stops when the session ends. But what if there was a way to continue the conversation? At Therapy Lab, we believe care should extend beyond the hour. Our world-class clinicians provide structured, evidence-based therapy plans, paired with Sage, your AI mental health companion for personalized support between sessions. Whether you're navigating life transitions, peak anxiety, or simply seeking clarity day to day, we're here. Your therapist provides the expertise, empathy, and understanding that only a human can offer, while Sage is there to support you during your sessions too. And between sessions, Sage supports you with gentle reminders, reflections, and real-time guidance, closely informed by your therapist's plan, and always available when you need it. Together, they deliver a seamless model of support, thoughtful, responsive, and rooted in science. This is therapy for modern life. High touch, high tech, and entirely on your terms. At Therapy Lab, we support your mental health and elevate your everyday well-being. Experience the future of personalized care with Sage at Therapy Lab.